everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. So in this video I'm going to be creating some big, I love big earrings, some really big statement earrings. But because I love big earrings, this wood sometimes can be pretty like heavy on the ear, especially if I want to do like layers or have tiers of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a foam sheet because this is very lightweight, and then I can, create the earring as big or as long as I want it, and it's not heavy at all. It will still feel like there's nothing in my ear. So I'm going to make some earrings, and I'm also going to create a matching necklace as well. So to start off with this wood, y'all, I don't even have any white paint. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to coat it in this pearl white metallic, and I'm going to hope that it changes it. And then we are going to do splatter paint. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so this is a little bit wider. I don't know if it is or not, but anywho, so this is some paint colors that I picked out that I'm going to be using for this particular design. And I've actually decided that I want to mix it not just with splatters, but I also want to mix it with some lines. So I'm first going to draw the lines on here first, and then well, not draw, but I'm going to paint them on there, just random lines that don't matter where. And then I'm going to splatter the paint after I do the lines. So I'm first going to go ahead and do that. Alright, you guys, while my necklace pendant is drying, I am going to pick out some thinlits. Let me put that in the water. Some thinlits to see what I want to use on my foam sheets. These are some that I recently purchased, so let's see what we got. We got this, that, it's not bad. I actually like this big one right here. This big one, maybe, let me see, maybe that one. Maybe something like this, maybe. I don't know. Or I could do like this right here. This is cute. Okay, yeah, I'll probably end up, do I want that? Yeah, I'll probably end up doing, I honestly don't know, y'all. Should I do that? All right, I'm going to decide, but I'm going to use my Sizzix cutter with these. Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to use my Sizzix cutter and then I'll be back.